Collating the weekly statistics for the call centre team requires you to have access to several spreadsheets at the same time. You will have been shared in on all the timesheets of each team member, plus you will have access to the monthly statistics spreadsheet. The first thing we need to do is open up the monthly statistics spreadsheet. And as you will see, we are working on the week beginning the 22nd of October through to the 26th. The first person we need to find the timesheet for will be Joanne. So therefore I go and I locate her timesheet, find the appropriate weekly tab, and as you will see, Monday and Friday where she had on leave, so she has 13 hours leave this week, plus she's worked 19.5 hours. Also she's made 68 calls and there are 3 bookings. So the first thing we need to do is go to the monthly statistics sheet, and under Joanne's column we'll put the 19.5 hours and the 13 hours leave. And then she made 68 calls for the week, 3 bookings, and there were no Google leads. So we can go back to her timesheet to make sure everything is in order, and then we can close her spreadsheet. The next person will be Kim, so we go and locate Kim's spreadsheet, timesheet for Kim. And we locate the tab for the week beginning the 23rd, and as you will see with Kim, she has made 68 calls. She was on leave on the Monday because of the holiday, so she's got 4 hours leave and 12 hours work experience. She also made 10 bookings during that week. So first of all we will go to the monthly statistics, and for her we will put in 12 hours and 4 hours because that's her normal working hours, and as you will see that makes 16 hours per week. She also made 68 calls, so we'll put in the 68 calls and there were 10 bookings. 10 bookings. So therefore we can go back to Kim's timesheet. We can just tidy up the cells a wee bit by formatting it, aligning it, centering it, and adding back in the borders to all the sheets. Then we'll close her timesheet and then go back to the next one, who's Kirsty. So locate Kirsty's timesheet, and what we will do is find week of the 23rd, and as you will see there's some data missing for the Friday. Now if you cannot see the information there, you can then perhaps maybe go to the booking spreadsheet and have a look and see whether she's actually recorded it there. It's not on that one. We'll go to the call statistics spreadsheet and find her and see whether she's recorded it there. Scroll right down to the end, and the 26th she made 20 calls, so therefore we'll record it in his timesheet as well as the booking sheet. It's often a matter of just tidying things up as you're going along. So then we can go back to Kirsty's timesheet, and as you will see she made 63 calls for the week, so we put that in here, 63. Go back to a timesheet to look for her hours. Alter things as you go along because Monday was a holiday, so therefore she worked 26 hours and 6.5 hours was leave. So Kirsty, 26 hours and 6.5 hours leave. which means 32.5 hours for the week. 63 calls, and go back to a timesheet. She also made 16 bookings for the week. So we then go and put the 16 bookings in. Doesn't look like anyone did any leads this week. You would see the leads in this part here. So therefore we have finished with Kirsty's timesheet, and we'll close that out. Next one is Maria. We've got to go and find her timesheet. Maria's timesheet. Look for the week of the 23rd. And as you will see here, Monday was 6.5 hours. Oops. Oh, she's mucked up her thing. So we've got to take that out of there. Is that leave? 6.5 hours leave. And that should be around about right. So with Maria, there were 58 calls. As you can see, Maria has more things. Sometimes she does work in production, so we have to take that into account. So for her total hours, she had 6.5 hours of leave for the holiday, plus 28.5 hours for working. So we go to her timesheet, and we will put in 26 hours, 6.5 hours leave, which means she's worked a total of timesheet 28.5 hours, so she's worked a total of 35. On her timesheet she has done 58 calls for the week, 58 calls and 18 bookings. 18 bookings. So therefore what you do is you just carry on doing all the spreadsheets for that, and in the next tutorial I will show you how you actually do the monthly statistics. Thank you.